Hi, welcome to the demo video of the Secure LTE node. In this demo, we will first take a detailed look at the hardware setup, then we will look at what the demo will entail, and then finally perform the demo. The hardware setup looks something like this. We have the SAM E54 explained, which is connected to the u-blox LTE modem over EXT1, and it is connected to Microchip's DT100104 evaluation kit, which is nothing but a kit that contains several Trust chips. It contains one Trust and Go, a few Trust Flex, and a few Trust Custom chips. In this demo, we have used the Trust and Go chip present on the evaluation kit. Here you have the SAM E54 P20A microcontroller. We have used the SAM E54 as a USB host to connect to the u-blox modem. It is done so through an OTG adapter. For this particular development, we are not using the eDBG port, rather we are not connecting the eDBG port to the PC, since sometimes the u-blox modem tends to draw more current than the PC can deliver. So we are using an external power brick that can give a 5 volt 2 ampere output. Since we don't have the eDBG at our disposal, we are using an external debugger, which is the SAM ICE. The u-blox LTE modem is connected to the board over EXT1 primarily to give the modem power. We are not using any other bus, say the SPI or the I2C, which is present on the EXT1 connector. Optionally, in order to get logs over the UART, we have connected 2 wires at EXT2 in order to get printf logs. These logs should be disabled in the future in order to save memory as well as to make the process more real time. Now let's take a look at what will be happening in the demo. We have an AWS thing already onboarded. I am currently using my own personal AWS account. The name of the AWS thing is same as the serial number of the Trust and Go chip that is connected to the SAM E54. We have a callback called message arrived, which is simply going to print any message that has been sent over MQTT from the AWS MQTT client to the SAM E54 controller. And the SAM E54 controller has subscribed to a topic which reads something like $AWS/things/ the name of the thing which we saw above, /shadow/update/delta. And the topic to which the SAM E54 is going to publish reads like $AWS/things/ the name of the thing and then shadow/update. This will be done approximately every 500 milliseconds, and right now the count is set to 50. So we should expect to see 50 MQTT packets from the SAM E54, and the packets should read SAM E54 sends and then a counter value. So the first value will be 0, 1, 2 and so on. Alright, so let's move to the demo. This is the place where the demo will be happening. I've already opened my Amazon console. I've gone into AWS, gone into AWS IoT, selected the thing and opened the MQTT client. I have pre-populated the values for the subscription and the published topics. As we saw in the firmware, the published topic is AWS things, thing name and then shadow update delta, and the subscription topic for the MQTT client would be the one to which the SAM E54 is publishing, which is AWS/things/name of the thing/shadow/update. We have already started listening. So let's go ahead and press the reset button on the SAM E54. As soon as we do so, we see that several threads are started and all of them sleep except the USB one. Since the modem is connected, we start talking to the modem over USB and try to put it into a PPP state, which is basically the data state. After a few seconds, we get an IP address from the network to which we are connected, and then we try to connect to my AWS endpoint, which is basically what you see in this line, TCP/XYZ. Now, as soon as that happens and the TLS handshake goes through, the device has started sending MQTT packets. So you can see it is sending SAM E54 sends and the counter value. Now let's send some data to the SAM E54. So just click publish, and as soon as we do that, we see print AWS sends data, we can do that as many times as we need. So it sends it every time. Let's say we modify the payload. We now send AWS sends data followed by exclamation points. We see the same thing. So this was the demo of publish and subscribe working for the secure LTE node reference design. Thank you.